Hi, I'm Alex with Landspot. Let me show you this 1-acre lot in Willcox, Cochise County, Arizona. Here's Arizona, here's Cochise County, and right here, you can see the lot. This property offers wide open views, has power, and a well-maintained dirt road access. Perfect for a retreat or a long-term investment. To get there from E. Old Stewart Road, head southeast for about 3.5 miles. Then turn right onto North Circle I Road, and the lot will be at your right. There's plenty to do nearby. 15 minutes away is Twin Lakes Golf Course. Enjoy a relaxing day on greens at this local golf course. 45 minutes away is the Chiricahua National Monument. Explore stunning rock formations and the hiking trails in this unique national park. This 1-acre lot in Willcox is priced at $6,000, and you can either finance or pay in full for this property. With financing, just make a down payment of $253 with 0% interest, and the remaining will be split up into 24 monthly payments of the same amount. Select the finance button, click proceed to payment, fill out your payment info, and once the first payment is complete, the property will be reserved just for you. If you prefer to pay in full, select the pay in full option, then click proceed to payment. You make a down payment of $500 today and the remaining $5,500 within the next 3 days. After that, our team will reach out to guide you through the final steps. If you have any questions with this lot or others, call us or text us at this number. We're happy to help you. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex with Landspot, helping you find the land that you love.